members of Bisangoriang Panglungsod, Iloilo City. Here is the attached letter of Eric Gallego, manager of Rockwell Cockpit Arena, relative to the conduct hassle cockfighting activities in connection with the Barangay Fiesta o Barangay Arsenal Aduana City proper on March 1, 2026. With this, Madam Chair, I'd like to ask the permission of the Governing Body that we're gonna pass a resolution authorizing our City Mayor, Iloilo City Mayor Raisa Estrenias to issue special permit to Rockwell Cockpit Arena relative to the conduct of cockfighting, cockfighting activities on February 5, 6, and 9, 2026, which in the said arena in connection with the upcoming Barangay Arsenal Aduana City proper on March 1, 2026. So moved, Madam Chair.
It has been moved and seconded. Hearing no objections, motion is carried.
This is an urgent matter, Madam Chair.
That's why I approved it to be tackled today.
With no more items in the other matters, Madam Chair, we may now proceed to the closing prayer.
Before that, I would like to remind this August body, I was reminded earlier sa move ni Councilor Rex, ang inyong 30-day na committee report, nga kita nga rules na. So please, ang mga committee chairman naton, render ka mo inyong committee